Okay, guys, you guys. And then the last the video I made. The last video I made. Oh, sorry, it's like dark in here. I didn't show you the last one because I couldn't get the chance to. Remember, I'm about to go eat. So right now I'm gonna show you the last ASAP thing. I don't know what it's called. Get a glass and another glass. Okay, I have some water. Just listen to this. Now listen to this. Listen to it. Isn't that psychic? Psycho. A cracker. I'll show you. So we can grab it. It's just for a little bit. Make sure I don't steal anymore, Mom. Mom, stop. Going against me making this video. So you take a hard cookie with filling if you want. It's not that filling, but this is my opinion. Let's go back to French cookies. Okay. The water type physics. I don't know how this works. And then transfer back. It's the same exact thing. Okay, let me let you hear this. I'll be quiet. Did you know that cats can physically talk to you with your body? leave? Wanna leave? No? Yeah? Okay. So you gotta put your paw in first. I guess put it on it 3 times. 3 times worse. 3 times worse. Ah, turn it. Well, then you put your back paw in it, okay? The 3rd time's always the best one. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I didn't put her paw in, I swear. I was trying to pick her up. She didn't. She wanted to put her paw in the water. I don't know if you guys could hear that. But the sound, that was like this. Here, I'll get some. That soaks up water. You know, make it. Like, retrieve the water. I'll use different thing. Next part of my video. Oh my god. 15 minutes already.
Alright.
Oh.
Get and soup.
So, dunking my scrunchie in my water. As you can see, it's fully in my water. There's an inch away from it. Nothing. So I'm gonna take it out now.